This could be the most autumn basic pair of ears ever made on this channel, but they can also be the most genius. Hey guys, it's Vicky. Welcome back. Why do I always sing my intros? Today, I am showing you how to make a pair of autumn Disney ears with little old pumpkins, because you can never have too many pumpkins in your life during the autumn season. You guys know I love my good old pair of ears, and I have quite a few tutorials on this channel. So we're doing another one. Why don't we just roll the tape?
Alright, spooky spookers. So to make these, you will need some pumpkins. I found these at the Dollar Tree. Actually, all items are from the Dollar Tree. These mini pumpkins come in a pack of 3. You'll also need some ribbon for the bow. I got this pretty plaid fall colored ribbon. A headband, these come in a pack of 3. Some twine, which is optional. Some scissors, and some form of glue like hot glue or E600 glue. So first you're gonna wrap your twine around the headband, starting by dabbing some glue, and then wrapping all around, adding some more glue in the middle in between, and then another dab at the end. Adding twine, like I said, is totally optional. I like to do this because I like covering up the headband. If you've seen in some of my other ear tutorials, I feel like this is like the second or third time I use it, but I think it adds a really pretty look, and this twine from the Dollar Tree is really soft and comfortable to wear. Next, you are going to take your pumpkin clips, because these are clips. I didn't mention that earlier. You're gonna remove the clip part and take just the pumpkins, and then find the spot where you wanna glue them onto the headband. I would measure these on your head before you glue them on, because you don't want to put them in a spot where you're not gonna like how they look. And then once you do that, you glue them on with the hot glue. These stems for these pumpkins were actually a little bit long when I tried them on, if you see there. So I went in with some scissors and cut them off, so you can see they're shorter in this next clip. But after that's done, you're gonna take your ribbon and make a bow. To make the bow, I am folding it in 4 times, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the length of this fold is one that I measured in between the 2 pumpkins, because I want to make sure the length of the bow is not too long and just the right size. Once that's done, you're gonna take another strip of ribbon and you're gonna fold that in the long way, adding some hot glue in between, and then finishing up the fold or roll. And with that little strip of ribbon, you are going to wrap it in between the bowl. Wait, the bowl? I mean the bow. In between the bow. And then you're gonna add some hot glue and cut any excess off. And then you are going to bring out the little ribbon inside and fluff it up and make it all pretty. And then after that's done, you glue it in between the headband or in between the pumpkins, and then you can fluff it up again. Lots of fluffing up in here. And once that's done, that's it. You could be done, but you guys, you know how much I also love my floral wire, and I thought adding that would make these pop out and stand out even more. So I took some leftover golden floral wire. This one looks all ugly here, but you can find this all pretty at the Dollar Tree. And so yeah, basically taking the floral wire and a cup, I formed some ears. Make sure your wire for each ear is a little bit longer, so you have that extra wire at the bottom, as you can see, so that you can take it, and like you're seeing here, you have some extra wire to securely wrap it around the headband. So I'm taking those wire ears and adding them over the pumpkin like a little pumpkin halo. Ah, and then that's it. Now you're really done. You're ready to go be pumpkin queen or king at Disneyland this Halloween through Thanksgiving season. Or hey, year-round if you want. I mean, I'm not here to judge you. Super cheap, you guys. Assuming you have the glue and scissors but nothing else, these should cost you $5 to make if you get everything at the Dollar Tree. Love, love, love me some good old cheap pair of ears. And super cute and unique too, because they're made by you.
That is all that I have for you guys today. Like I said, you can easily go without the floral wire. I just really like floral wire ears. It's just really cute, and it's an elegant, different kind of way to make ears. And it's also really cheap. I'm gonna go make some more videos now. I love you all very, very much. Sending you a big virtual hug as always. And I will see you guys next time. Yeah. Bye. You're supposed to get better at speaking at the camera with time. You would think that after me making YouTube videos for 2 years, I would get better, but I feel like I just keep getting worse.